Hi guys, today we'll be installing Kali Linux on Windows 10 by using WSL2. To do that, we'll go to search for WinVer, and then you can see your OS build and the version. The version needs to be at least 1904 or higher, otherwise you won't be able to install WSL2. So we go to Windows Update and Settings just to make sure that your Windows is running 1904 or higher version. So update your Windows if you need. I'm going to update my Windows anyway. So once this update is finished, we'll do some configuration to run Kali Linux on Windows 10 using WSL2. We will also configure the OS and GUI mode on Windows, so we can use this as a graphical user interface. Checking again the version, it should be fine. We'll go to Google search and type in download WSL2 and search, and then click on the first link. It will take you to docs.microsoft.com, and then click on this link here. I will have the link down in the description below, so it will be a lot easy to find where you have to download WSL2. Click on that and then it will download and install. Once the download finish, install the version, and it is a quick installation process. Click OK and then finish. That's it, installation finish. Now we have to turn on the Windows features on and off. So click on that, click go down, and then click on Windows Subsystem for Linux. Tick that box, and Virtual Machine Platform. Tick that box and click OK. Once the installation finish, restart your computer. And on search, type in PowerShell. Click on PowerShell. And we will be setting WSL2 version as a default version. So type in WSL --set -default -version space 2 and press enter, and that will set WSL2 as your default version, and close that. We'll go to Microsoft Store and then click on search for Kali, K-A-L-I, and then click on Kali Linux app. You can download it from here. Then click on get. Download will start now, as you can see here. Then click on launch. press any key to continue. Nothing happened, so I'll go to the start menu and click on Kali Linux, the app we have just installed. Press any key to continue. It crashed on me twice. I'll start the process again. It looks like it's still installing the Kali Linux, so it might take a few minutes. So it's asking for your username. You can put whatever username you prefer. For me, I'll put in cyberboot and press enter, and then put your password in, then enter new password, retry, and enter successful. So it's created a new username and password. So I'll go to PowerShell again. Type in WSL -L-V for version. So as you can see here, Kali Linux stopped and version 2. So it's using WSL version 2. This is how you can check what version the OS is using. Then we'll type in Kali, click on Kali Linux, and this is Kali Linux terminal. Type in your password and enter, and type in sudo apt update just to see if there is any update available, and upgrade. And there is an upgrade, so let the upgrade happen. I'll fast forward from here. Type in sudo apt install nmap and press enter just to see if it's if it installs, which it is, and press Y and enter. It will install nmap, and done. So type in sudo apt install space -y space Kali dash desktop dash xfce, and then press enter. So XFCE will help us to see this Kali Linux on GUI mode, graphical user interface mode, and let's install this. I'll fast forward from here. To connect with Windows 10 with this Kali, we have to install remote desktop server on Kali. After this installation, here we go, installation finish. Once this installation finish, we can type in sudo space apt space install install space -y space xrdp, and then press enter. Press OK. Type in sudo space service service space xrdp space start start, and then press enter, and service xrdp server will start. And on the terminal, type in IP space a and press enter. You can see the IP address from here. Copy the IP address and put that on remote desktop connection. Copy and then paste it here and connect, and click yes, and type in your username and the password we have created earlier, and press OK, and that should start Kali Linux. It came up with a few pre-installed softwares. Of course, you can install more softwares through the terminal. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe.